mango pumpkin.
Yung may ano?
Seafood.
Oh!
What's the sound?
Is it raccoon? Ang cute talaga. Lagay ko sa top. So, yung vlogger ito.
We're making ramen.
Puro
Ayan.
Nag-video sa...
Ay!
Oh, mahal. Saan tawag ito? Sa ride.
Look how cute this is.
Yes, the ride. Oh, eventually.
Yummy.
Really.
Look at that. How do you like this ramen?
It's good. Better.
It's good. Yeah,
Better than...
it's the right spice. Good for people who doesn't like spicy food. Day 3. Hi. They're all they've warmed up now. Ay, we're gonna get here.
So, yung news na ano?
No.
There's this lady who poisoned some of her friends and family using a mushroom, poisonous mushroom. It's in Australia. You know beef Wellington, right?
Yes.
You know how to make, like how
I
it's
don't know.
made? Anyway, may mushroom yun na parang cover. Tapos yun. But she did it intentionally. She was found
didn't.
guilty. Oh.
Okay, let's go.
Diba?
It's some sort of waterfall near Llanberis. So that's the place we're going to. It's 7 minutes from my location now. Look, there's a train. I think that's the train to Snowdonia. Oh, this is the path to the waterfall.
Bottom path. Ano?
Which one are we going? Bottom?
We go bottom then.
This one? Not that one.
This is the bottom path.
Yeah.
Let's take a photo.
So we go up and then go down.
Okay, let's see what's up first.
Kasi it says to keep going up on the map.
Okay.
On mine. We turn around. We decided to say the bottom path because we don't have enough time. That's our excuse. We just go. We don't have enough time.
Yeah, this one is, we just went from there. This one's very short. It's nice.
Is it short?
Ah,
Yeah, it's just short.
Is it
It's
the
just
same
around the corner.
waterfall?
It is, but you see it from the bottom. It's nice.
Ah.
It's very, very fast.
Okay. Thank you. Are you okay?
I'm good. Even ice cream. You promised ice cream.
This is a business side. That's
Monday
oh
and Tuesday, those hungry face.
wow. Wow. I wonder if you can see the big one. This is a mini one. You can definitely go here alone. It's quite an easy place to get to, and it seems quite safe if you're not comfortable of going alone. I think it's quite safe for solo adventures. Let's see what it looks like on the map. Oh, look at the dog! So, I'm just looking at Google review. I'm guessing that's the top view. So I'm quite curious as to what the bottom path. We don't have enough time to go to the top. So, oh my god, you can see. Look at this. Dangerous part. No swimming, no bathing. Do not enter the water. You're not allowed to go in the water. Oh, look at that. I've lost my friends again. Oh, they're there. They're taking pictures.
A little bit, not with me, but yeah.
Yeah, 'cause I think it goes even higher and it's from the top.
I think there's another part there, the top part. Yeah, because I was looking on the Google review, and I think that's the one on top.
So this is the
So this is the bottom. So yeah, we went to the bottom. We can go up there for photos. We're gonna try to go up there where they're already trying, so got my phone. This is the view. This is walking up. We're here. Oh, more hike. Jump shot, Anne. Jump shot. We're going down. Oh, I'm a strong, independent woman. Waterfalls, tick. I'm doing a 360 view.
Pinapahirapan yung sarili.
Nag-expedition ka ba? Ann, sige pa nga. Ha? Da. Okay, we have 7 minutes. Go. 7 minutes. Success. Now we have to try to get to the car within 5 minutes.